In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a dark effect in CapCut video quickly and easily using built-in filters that can completely change the mood of your edit. Whether you want a cinematic look, a moody vibe, or a darker tone for dramatic content, this simple method can help you get that style in just a few taps. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and easy video guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and select the video clip in the timeline that you want to edit. This is important because any effect you apply needs to be attached to the correct clip. If you have multiple clips on your timeline, make sure the one you want to darken is highlighted before moving to the next step. Now go to the filters option. In CapCut, filters are one of the fastest ways to change the overall look and feel of your footage without needing advanced color grading skills. Once you open filters, you'll see different categories and styles that you can browse through. Instead of scrolling randomly, use the search feature and type in keywords like dark, cinematic, or moody. These are the best filter names to look for when you want a darker, more dramatic effect. The dark filters usually reduce brightness and create a deeper tone. Cinematic filters can give your video a polished movie-style look, and moody filters help create like a softer, more emotional atmosphere. After you find a filter that matches the style you want, tap on it to apply it to your clip. CapCut will instantly preview the effect, so you can see how it changes the colors and lighting in your video. If it feels too strong or too weak, don't worry. You can adjust the intensity. Look for the strength or intensity slider and move it up or down until the dark effect looks right for your footage. If you want a subtle change, keep the strength lower. If you want a more intense dark cinematic look, raise the strength a bit more. The key is to make the video look stylish without making it too dark to see clearly. A good tip is to preview the clip after applying the filter so you can check how skin tones, shadows, and highlights look together. Sometimes a dark filter can make the video look amazing, but in other cases, you may need to lower the strength slightly so the details stay visible. You can also try different filters one by one. Start with dark, then compare it with cinematic and moody to see which one fits your content best. For example, if you're making a vlog or aesthetic edit, a moody filter might work really well. If you're editing an action clip or a dramatic reel, a cinematic filter could be the better choice. The best part is that you can test each one in seconds until you get the look you want. Once you're happy with the result, just save or export your video as usual. That's it. You've successfully added a dark effect in CapCut video using filters and simple adjustments. It's a quick way to make your content feel more professional, more dramatic, and more visually interesting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials, editing tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.